In this video, I'll show you how to use your Cash App account without verifying your identity. So as you can see, I have got a Cash App account, but I have not verified it. So if you have an email address and the mobile phone number, you can create an account and you can use it without the verification. There are some Cash App features you can use it. For example, you can send and receive money on your Cash App account. Also, you can receive the money requests. As you can see, I have got money requests from my friends. Also, you can link your bank account, your debit card right here, and you can also receive the cash App bonus if you invite friends. So these are the main features you can get without the verification, but unfortunately there are some limits and I'll show you. So if you go to the limits page, you will see that you can only send $1,000 per month, you can only receive 1,000 per month, and you can withdraw 1,000 guys per day. So that are the limits. If you decide to verify your account, you just need to click your profile in the top right, click verify your identity right here, and go through prompts and finalize the verification. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.